The Genie Within, Your Subconscious Mind, How It Works and How to Use It, by Harry W. Carpenter provides a comprehensive guide on how to harness the immense power of your subconscious mind. This book is a technical manual, presenting a clear and practical description of how your subconscious mind works, the laws it obeys, how to communicate with it, and 15 proven methods for using it. Understanding the workings of your subconscious mind is paramount to achieving success. Your subconscious mind is like a genie that can grant your wishes, but you need to know how it works and how to use it before it becomes your powerful servant. It's not just about feel-good stories or have faith cliches. It's about scientifically grounded and experimentally validated ways to leverage the power of your subconscious mind to achieve goals, be more creative, change undesirable traits, and improve your health. The book emphasizes that your conscious mind and subconscious mind are fundamentally different. This understanding is essential for tapping into the potential of your subconscious mind. The key to success lies in the fact that access to your subconscious mind is through an altered state of mind. Affirming to your subconscious mind in the normal, awake state can do more harm than good. You must learn to go into a natural, restful state of mind to enter the realm of the subconscious. Carpenter also highlights that you can't will yourself to change if the change is contrary to beliefs in your subconscious. You can think of your goal all day, but that's not enough. In fact, it can work against you. One of the unique insights from the book is that the subconscious mind always works behind the scenes on many problems, whether you're aware of it or not. You can seed ideas to your subconscious when your brain is in a relaxed state, using images and emotions to better seed the ideas. The subconscious doesn't distinguish reality from fiction, so you can use your imagination to boost the ideas you are seeding. It only knows the present tense, so always think like you've already achieved what you desire. Practical applications of the knowledge from the book can help you change bad habits, increase self-esteem, achieve goals, improve mental and physical health, and change a gloomy mood to a joyous one, among others. For instance, if you're trying to lose weight, you can use the techniques in the book to seed the idea of yourself as healthy and fit into your subconscious mind. If you're aiming to be more efficient and proficient in your work, you can use the book's methods to seed the idea of yourself as a highly efficient and proficient individual. However, it's important to remember that reading and knowing the ideas of this book is not enough. You have to take action, practice, make plans, and change habits to truly harness the power of your subconscious mind. In conclusion, The Genie Within is a practical and to-the-point guide that gives you the keys to unlock the power of your subconscious mind. It demystifies the subconscious and provides actionable steps on how to harness its power to bring about positive change and improvement in various areas of life. A link to purchase The Genie Within is provided below in the description. This book is a must-have for your self-mastery arsenal. Don't forget to hit that like button and be sure to subscribe for more videos on helping you become the best version of yourself. Until next time, stay focused on what you want most and manifest the abundant life that you deserve.